GBPI's GBG L2 Film Impact Tester. Design and manufacture according to GB/T8809, ASTM D3420 and other standards. Suitable for plastic film, sheet, composite film, metal foil and other materials for pendulum impact resistance testing. The instrument adopts pneumatic clamps, pneumatic release of the pendulum, equipped with horizontal adjustment assistance system. Host configuration color touch screen. Adjustable range, replaceable impact head and custom fixture. Test accuracy up to 0.001 J to ensure the accuracy of the experimental results. Simple and easy to operate. Instruments are widely used in packaging, food, pharmaceutical, daily chemical, quality control, pharmaceutical, scientific research, medical, electronic and other industries. GBPI has been recognized as high-tech enterprise, software certification enterprise and specialized feature enterprise. Our products have passed the CMC certification and obtained the license of manufacturing measuring instruments. With a number of domestic and foreign qualifications, including ISO certification, 3C certification, CE certification, etc. Ensures the versatility and authority of the instrument.